Okay, part 4. He's all lubed up. Ain't nobody dope as me. He's just so fresh, so clean. So fresh and so clean, clean. Henry. Henry. Goo. He's so clean and happy. Goo. Oh. Oh no. Now what's next, Mom?
Time to brush his hair.
Oh, brush his hair.
Looks so handsome.
Mm-hmm.
He looks so handsome. He smells so good.
Goo. Yes, Henry. He's so big. He's so big.
A little lotion on the back.
Oh, yes. Uh-oh.
I know it's cold.
Oh.
It's cold.
Oh, no.
It's cold.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Goo.
Okay, now it's time for PJs.